we come back to the meeting. So today we're going to the next step for our project. Before starting, I want Delphine to help us to go through the directions so that we can start our meeting.
Yeah, sure. Okay, in the overview, they describe the problem for drip and dry. So the direction is, as now we are a team and we are ready to work together to find problem solving strategies and the solution to solve the problem of dry and drip. So in the part one, once you have reviewed all the resources you have to meet to accomplish the note facilitation opportunity to the second, and then we will have the we record that video, the one who is going to who is leading the meeting, and then there is a reflection form that he is going to complete. It's up to him. So we will decide which problem solving strategy that we will be using as a team to solve drip and dry problem. Then after that we will have to begin to address the problem as a team by clearly defining the drip and dry problem. We will also analyze the different factors contributing to the problem. Afterward, we will brainstorm the potential solution to the problem based on the common solution that we will have as a team together to solve that problem. So after all, as a team, we will write a memo to Fred and Karen that contains all those information about the problem solving process that we have used, the explanation of the problem and the factors, all the things that we have addressed in above. Then the last part is that everyone will have to write an email having like feedback email that we will not share with each other. We will have that kind of emails.
So thank you, Delphine, for sharing us the direction of this project. And I think today we are going to discuss about a challenging question that every company now are facing. Every company, they are struggling to know if the customer are satisfied for their services. And then here we are going to go through drip and dry as our case. By beginning, we are going to see the problem solving process that address drip and dry company problem that our team will have used. And let's start with Delphine to share with us one problem solving.
Yeah, for me, first of all, we need to identify the problem. That's the first thing in the process, the problem solving process. First of all, we need to identify a problem, because you can't solve the problem you didn't identify.
I think that's good idea. What do you think, Delphine? Is it good to identify the problem first?
Yeah. If you need to find solution, you have to get the problem to solve first.
Yeah, and you can share with us the second.
The second thing that we can do is to generate like alternatives.
Can you explain?
For example, because it's a big problem that is facing, and there are different factors that are rising to that problem. So you have to find the alternative problems to see the main one from those alternatives.
Okay, thank you, Delphine. I think also you can add brainstorming after generating the alternatives. And then brainstorming can help us to find the possible solutions. And then we can choose among those ones to make sure that we are moving on solving this problem. And maybe can you move, or just you can share with us another problem solving you can use?
Yeah, for me, after like generating those alternatives, like searching the strategies and knowing like different solutions, I think it's better to evaluate and compare these alternatives so that you can know the solution to implement of that problem. If you are solving a problem, it's clear that you are searching a solution, and in those solutions you find more solutions, and you like in those you need to evaluate them so that you can get maybe one you can implement.
I think that's a good one. If you are evaluating and then you compare the results among those solutions, you can implement and to see the one that you found like is most helpful. Then we are going to actually what is the actual problem that drip and dry is facing, and then you can tell us the problem that is currently there.
For me, I have seen that the problem is the small place or the place which is not sufficient for the customers. Since the people, they were like different factors, but I have seen that if there is a big place, all the customers can be satisfied.
Thank you. And also, Delphine can take us through the factors which contribute to this problem.
Yeah, and the directions and in the resources I read, I found that they provide a free internet for their client, and that it led to the fact that client come and spend much time there, maybe taking one drink, but because he's or she's enjoying the free internet, the free Wi-Fi, they spend much time there, and when other comes, it caused a jam, like they become many and they lose it.
Thank you, Delphine. Also, you can talk about parking. Also, parking can be a factor which is contributing to this problem, because like if people stay there long, then they have their cars, it can cause a problem to have insufficient place in parking. So let's go through potential solutions, and Delphine can share with us one solution that she thought is the best one.
One solution that I think is to create a better setup. For example, if the space is so small for the customer to fit in, so drip and dry can create the setup which will make the space very sufficient to the customers.
Thank you, Delphine. What about you? What do you think about it?
About the potential solution, for me, I think because we found that they spend much time because of the Wi-Fi, I think we can create the limited time voucher of the Wi-Fi, so that limited voucher, like voucher that have limited time to use the Wi-Fi, so that whenever they finish that voucher, and we will be provided, we can provide only one. Whenever they finish, they can go, so that they can get space.
That's great. Also, I think also when we charge more money for someone, for like some people buy one beverage, or like if they spend more than 2 hours by drinking one beverage, you can charge them extra money. That also can make some people don't spend too much time there, so that you can find space for new customers.
I have a question on that point. So in business, we always hear people saying customer care. And if we charge extra money because someone is staying too long, I don't think it will be like customer care. But we can record that and we will evaluate if there's no customer.
Next time we can evaluate, and then you see the potential among those ones.
Yeah.
So I think also, as you have seen together all those potential solutions and problems, we can also see what is the best solution to this question, so that can help it drip and dry getting off of this problem. And I think we'll see this for the next meeting. And thanks for everyone for your kind attention and for your presence in this meeting.
Thank you, Chief.